Kaya nga, yan yung si Mr. Alabe, yan yung kalabaw lang natin abanda. Apat na pang laro niya na yan. Apat lima. Haro, Pagarino, never play up naman, but there's a foul. There's a pushing foul by Mr. Sheldon, number 12. First personal foul. The power center, Mr. Garrido. Shot this time. Parang ganda ng bola. Tinta ba? 9 minutes and 30 seconds. 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Still lead by 2 points. Alex Tumang. Second shot is good. 32-29. 32-29. Bye. Bye. Setting the play to Ali. Back to bye. To Barbera, Tusto, Lupang by Garrido. To Alabe. To Harold, number 26, to Lozada, baseline shot, Tusto. This ball pass to Barbera. Barbera, back to Lupi. To Bayan, back again to Barbera, jumper, floating shot, logo, rebound by Alabe. What a play! What a matchup! Alabe at the 3-point area, setting the play. Give to Lozada. To number 26, jumper, shot this time. To Luni, Hermagani. To Bayan at the baseline shot. Pass, Tusto. Pala pa siya down, yes. 31-32. 1-point lead na lang po. 1-point lead by the Alex Tumang Aro. Tulusana, jumper. Yes. Laro lang tayo, laro lang. Laro lang po tayo, laro lang. 7 minutes and 44. Oh, Tusto. Balik na natin ang bola, under ating oras. 7 minutes and 35. Still 3-point lead ang Alex Tumang. To number 9, Alabe at the 3-point player. Fake pass! Alabe, 2 points! What a veteran shot by Mr. Alabe. 37-31. To Sheldon, perimeter shot. Tusto, rebound. Again, Sheldon. To Tafero, from Logo. Tusto, pushing pass to Lozada. Reverse layup, yes, by Mr. Lozada. Ang galing ng aking manager before. Look at Lozada by jumper. Yes. 29-33. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Alabe na ito, another try. Shot this time. It's a center. The referee, Mr. Jeff. Jeff. 39-33. 6-point lead ang Alex Tumang. Oh, Garrido at the center fire. Shot, logo. Rebound by Sheldon. Oops. Pass the ball to Sheldon. Sheldon to Barbera is the basket. Using the ball. 5 minutes and 43 seconds. To Lozada. To number 26. Alex. Lozada drives in. Powers. Shot. Rebound again yung shot. Follow-up shot. Too strong. Rebound by Sheldon. To Bay. No, Barbera. Pass. No. Change player now. Change player. Substitution. It's a single. Simple. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Change player. Kasura, inbounding. Jumper, destination, Pagkayo, follow pa rin. Sipag talaga nitong tao to. Benedict. Pedri, giving trophy to prepare the perimeter shot. Yes. By Mr. Papera. Again, 2.3. Dalawa na lang po ulit. Ang lamang ng Alex Dumang. Magkakaalaman mamaya ito. Aro. Fake. Pass. Two-score. Again. Rebound himself. Pass. Yes. What a veteran move by Mr. Alan ng Aro. Pitch ball pass to ball. Bye. Baseline shot. Pass to Barbera. Jumper. In and out. Wow. In and out. Sayang. Tulisada. Up. Almost full. Mr. Asala. Two-score. Again. Look at again. To Bernabe. 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 To Barbera. To Mystiga. Mystiga. Yes, by Mystiga. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Bye. Ako si Bonilla. Almost totally. Kaya double. Yes. Ang galing na kami bye. Tigo, back to Tigo, yes! Bernabe, back again to Bernabe. Again to Bay, very short, stand from the Alan Hero. Iba talaga pag malaki. Tinunero, Tinunero, pass! Tuson, Liban Benito. What a veteran move. Liban Lozada, follow-up, Tuson. To Barbera, Barbera. Yes, what a play by Mr. Barbera. Foul on number 69. Penalty, abortion. Di ba pwede? Third quarter pa lang tayo. Nagkapalitan na kanina. Pwede ba ang shot? Shoot! Tutunin Tulisada, ang baseline shot. Pass to Barona. Pitch ball pa sa salo. Barbera. Yes, by Mr. Barbera. Tunin. All 43. It's a deadlock. It's a deadlock. Aaron for 3. Pass to Ruben na Bernabe. Pass by Mr. Tulisada. Back to Barbera. The power forward. Jumper shot this time. Mystiga, dribbling the ball. Magmamadali. Pass. Tuson. Again, follow-up shot. No good. Good. And there's a foul. Foul on number 5, Bernabe. May timeout ba sila? Timeout mo rin? Timeout sila. Break. Okay. Nah.
Diretso si Babiera. Ano sila? Pwede lang sila. Diba? Ano sila? Wala tatlong straight na siya. Pwede lang.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 13 seconds. Our score is 45-43. Still, Alex Tomang lead by 2 points. May laro sa kanila kasi. Yung iba, wala si Moy Pineda, wala yung Basilan. Kaya kulang sila. Tucson, rebound by Sandor. Oh, Steve Gallego. To Mr. Cup, follow up, over again. Again, Mr. Cup. Alanaro, but there's a foul. What a veteran shot by Mr. Alanaro. Exactly 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute. Third personal foul na si Bay. First time, short. Tatlo ka na, Bay. Ingat ka na. Second try, goal. Bernabe, seconds to go. 58, 57. Barbera. To the zero. Baseline shot. 2-4. Rebound by Shelton. His teammate. From Bernabe, pass against to Shelton. To the zero. Jumper at the side. 2-4. Rebound by Alanaro. What a play by University of Lagos. But there's a foul. Foul on number 27, Mr. Mystica. 30 seconds. Tikat lang po ang laban. 46-43. Tatlo na lang po ang lamang ng Alex Turas. Bye. Pusendo at the 3-point area. Foul shot. Human by Aro. To Mystica. Mystica. 2-4. 13 seconds. Barbera. Left up, no good. But there's a foul. Foul on number 13. Aro. 13 foul. Remaining time, 11 seconds. 11 seconds na po. First try, no good. Wow, what a big start there. Marco Tolentino. The second try. Yes. 46-44. Seconds to go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Jumper shot is not. 1. Shot. Counter. Our score is 48-44. We're now entering the last quarter. Last quarter na po tayo. This is a nice matchup.
Dalawa pa.
Back to the building.
APR Basketball is brought to you by Save Heaven, Property and Development Incorporated.
Barbera. To Bay at the 2-point area. Dribbling the ball at the side, reverse. Pass to Shelton, what a play, no good for Mr. Shelton. Garrido, stand up, no good, driven by number 4, Tolentino. What a power move by Mr. Tolentino to Bay. Pitch ball passes Shelton, good. Hello, aking mga pamilya dyan. We are live here. Number 26. Tohiko. To number 13, first, using the board. Yes. Easy basket by Alex Tumang, number 26. remaining time is under 9 minutes and exactly. Our score is 15-46. What a matchup for both teams. Ang ganda po, 1 point lead na lang po ang lamang ng Alex Tuman, Alex Alabe, Tusco, rebound by Tolentino. It's a white ball. Set the referee. Jeff. Bang. Setting the play. To Papera. To send it to the best player. Fires, choosing the ball from the stand. Get by number 4. About Dada Valentino. It's a blocking foul. Set the referee, Mr. Chan. Foul on number 14, Gavido. Third personal foul.
Akin yan eh.
Huh? Still, Tino, yes. Time out daw po white, down na rin. Seven in the first time. Tuso, Yuval Rivera. At the Rivera, set this time. Pitch way back to Lunel. Lunel at the first line box, still bye-bye. What a play. Rivera again. Left up. No. Again, follow shot. Yes. 52-51. Iko, Alabe at the Pipanera, yes! Kapoom! By Mr. Alabe. Time out, right. Back again for the 4-point lead. Ang Alex Tuman. Okay, serve daw rin. Ang ganda po ng laban. We're at the fourth quarter, 55-51. Back to the play game. Rivera. Iseldo nakapos ng back again to Rivera. Tesoro. Shot. Bang! By number 14. Dalawa na lang po ang lamang ng Alex Tuman. Haro. Tuyinil. Tuigo. Fake. To Mistika. First level. Michael Tolentino, pitch ball pass. Tumisita, ang galing. To Alan Alabe. At the triple niya, pass. Shot, follow-up shot, yes. Magandang kasipat si Mistika. Back again to 4-point lead. Ang Alex Tuman. Ang lakas, hindi makalamang ang ano. Ang rate. Isero, level. Alanaro dancing. Pass to strong. Rebound by Marco Tolentino. Marco Tolentino to steal. Titignan din. Oh, what a defense. Foul in number 14, Tesoro. First personal foul. Bad defense, ah. Two shots by Alan Harrow. First try, Too strong. Second try. Good.
Pagod na. Kanina pa yun, ang lawag na. Buo nga eh.
4 minutes and 33 seconds. 5 to Sendo. Back again. To 5 to Sendo. Another 2 minutes. To Barbera, to Bestan. Back again to Sendo. To 5 to Bestan. Shot to start. 4 minutes. 4 minutes to Eagle. To Mystica. Easy basket by Mr. Mystica. Pitch by basketball there. Reverse layup. Good. $60-55. 5-point lead ng Alex Tumang. Haro at the 3. At the Eagle. Baseline shot. Oh! No good. Sayang. Barbera. Lose the ball. Mystica. Make up. Shoot. Rebound again by Mystica. To Yunil. To Alave. At the 3-point area. T-shot. Tumabera. Blessing. David. Block. But there's a foul. It's a blocking foul. Foul number 13. Alan Harrow. Ilan po na? Time out! Alex Tumang. Ilan po ni Alan Harrow? 2 personal foul by Mr. Alan Harrow.
Lalamig ka na, hindi ba kayo naglalaro? Nakikita mo yung mga kalaban mo.
Third game. Prepare na po yung third game. Back to the ball game. Hindi pa po nakakausap ng wet. Hindi pa po sila makagol. Baka ngayon, makakagol na sila. Kailangan. First try, Mr. Rivera. Oh! No good. For the second try. Cristo Malaya, Liga ng Pilipino, to Sendo, Sendo, this is Sendo. Sendo po tayo, Sendo. Sendo, to Barbera, under 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Sendo, shot block. Wow, what a block by Garrido. Sendo, sa delivery, Mr. John, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Eight seconds violation. Sabi na kanina, 2 seconds na lang natin rin para makatawid. Still, 5-point lead, Alex Tumang. Excited, last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. The last 2 minutes is brought to by Alex Tumang. Oh, pitch ball pass to Lusada. Lusada, pass. Goal! Importante yun. Rep Sando, Rep Barbera. Foul. Substitution rep. Number 14 out. Remaining time, 1 minute and 45. Still 7-point lead for Alex Tumang. Tolentino. The ball. By heavy crossing. To Bernabé. Bernabé using the ball. Last. Lago. Rebound. Talaga po yan. Salvo. Back to the Tolentino. To Bernabé. Let's go. Back to the ball. Wow. Remaining time 1 minute and 29 seconds. What a play. Four personal foul. 14 foul. First foul. Too strong. Importante yan. Kakampi ko rin yan sa Borao. Second foul. Short again. Two number. Alex Pombo. 1 minute time, 1 minute and 29 seconds. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Alanaro receiving the ball. To number 26. Setting the play. Using the clock. They're using the clock. Alanaro. Drives it. Using the ball. Too strong. Pitch ball pass to Rivera. Pass. Pitch ball in. Wow, sayang yun. Foul. Oo nga naman. Buti na lang nakita ni Lolito. Foul. By number 5, Bernabé. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Foul again by Tolentino. Time out! Wait!
About 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Isa clock there.
Back to the ball game. Seconds to go. Again. Partner and company. Kaya pa yan. Mahaba pa yan. 1 minute. May 3 points tayo. Oh, using the clock again. Seconds to go. Alanaro. Foul. By Mr. Barbera. 51 seconds. 4 team foul. Alanaro. Always stealing the ball. Foul. Again. Foul number 4. Tolentino. Penalty na ba? Penalty. Penalty na po tayo. Penalty. Importante rin yan. Yung court natin mga shot. Idol Alanaro. Taborao team. Yes! For the second try. Naku, nagkakabigay ng pagkain doon. Dito naman, baka maambulan kami. Second try is good! Dabera! Second to go, first hit. At the keeper niya, foul shot! Remember the leader. Foul! Foul on number 5. Bernabé. Penalty. Foul side! Spade at the telephone, Mr. Bernabé. Foul. Siyempre, kailangan hindi tayo pumito eh. Short this time for Mr. Garrido. Seconds to go. 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Mapepe ate technical kayo niyan. Again, shot again. Liba by Tolentino. Tugay. Almost pushing the ball. Again, Tolentino. Lago again. Rebound by number 13. 30 seconds. Tulusana. Oh! Sayang. Wala nang time out ang white. Cellphone. No again. 21 seconds. 20. 19. 18. Wow.
panalo na. Alabe again for 3. Kaboom! Alabe 3 points. Yes, congratulations Alex Tuna.